Natalie Birth here. Please go back to the previous slide so that you could read the disclaimer. Okay, so right now we are going to review Abdullah's profile. Right off the bat, please do not put things in all caps. Very, very hard to read. Most fonts are hard to read in all caps, especially in such a close proximity. So, better just regular font. The next thing is I would like to see up here in the banner branding. I want to know, like, I don't need to know your name. I don't need to know that you're the digital marketing agency owner. I want to understand who, YouTube done for you, YouTube made easy. YouTube, it's, when you say digital marketing, are we talking about all digital products or just this particular product, right? So that just needs a little bit of clarification. And then if we're using the banner to promote that and the coloring, you then use that coloring in the graphics to add graphics to the services section and to create thumbnails for the featured section because the eye loves color, right? And so we want to bring that down and bring it forward. And there's no place for me to click through to him and say, hey, I want to see what you do, right? There's an opportunity to say, here are a list of my testimonials. Here are the projects I've worked on. Here is how to reach me, right? Okay. Two other things that I'll quickly mention. One is make sure that this is put in the proper order. He seems to be promoting his CTech IT solutions. And what we want to make sure is that this is in the proper order so that it's at the top, because up here, it's going to list your community hearing services and you want this to list your business, right? So that somebody's looking at that. That's number one. The second thing is, and you can list what you did with the hearing stuff is under projects, is under your volunteering. Working as a freelancer is not volunteer work, although I'm sure sometimes it feels that way. So it's okay if you don't do volunteer work, just get rid of it and keep that information up there and really focus on your work, and your projects can go further down here. You can also list your certifications. It looks like you did a bunch of certifications for mastering certain different aspects of YouTube and what have you. You can always list your certifications. There is an opportunity to do that as well. Okay, so thank you to Abdullah for allowing me to review his profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you when it gets done. Thanks.